Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create an EDU email account. The first method is through community college registration. Open your browser and search for Community College Open Admissions. Choose a college that allows anyone to apply online, such as Coastline College, Crafton Hills College, or Los Angeles City College. Go to the official website and find the Apply or Admissions page. After a few days, you will receive a welcome email containing your new .edu address and login details. The second method is by joining a free online learning institution. Some platforms like Coastline Online or even certain state-based colleges allow registration for short online courses. When you sign up for an online course, many schools automatically issue an EDU email address to help you access student tools. The third method is to check for student partnership programs. Some universities partner with learning platforms like Coursera, edX, or FutureLearn. If you register for a verified course through these programs, your account may be linked with an official educational institution. After enrollment, you might receive a temporary or full EDU email address depending on the school's policy. Thanks for watching.